How did digital age origins create web search pain? Imagine trying to find a single piece of information on the internet in the early 1990s. It was like searching through a giant, messy closet with no labels or organization. That's because the internet was still very new and not at all structured. The first search engine, called Archie, came out in 1990, but it only searched file names on file transfer protocol servers. It couldn't look inside the files, so it was pretty limited. Users had to rely on directories created by people, like Tim Berners-Lee's early web directory, but those quickly became outdated as the web grew faster than anyone could keep up. Later, in 1993, search engines like JumpStation and ALIWEB appeared. They allowed webmasters to submit their pages, but these systems were very basic. ALIWEB, for example, needed site owners to manually send in their page details, which meant many pages were never included. As the web expanded rapidly, these early tools couldn't keep up. They often missed large parts of the web or returned incomplete results. By 1994, search engines like WebCrawler and Lycos started indexing entire web pages. But the technology was still very crude. They lacked advanced algorithms to rank pages based on relevance. So, searches often gave back results that were not helpful or were completely off topic. Internet speeds were slow, and computers had limited power, making searches take a long time and sometimes fail altogether. Adding to the frustration was the rise of commercial interests. Search engines began showing advertisements, sometimes cluttering the results and confusing users. Different search engines had different interfaces and qualities, which made it hard to know which one to trust. The chaos of the early internet meant users had to be patient and creative, often browsing directories or manually clicking through links to find what they wanted. All these factors created what we now call web search pain. It was a time of excitement mixed with frustration. The technology was still developing, and the web was growing faster than the tools could handle. This made searching for information a slow, sometimes disappointing experience. It was a rough start, but it set the stage for the smarter, faster search engines we use today. The early digital age was full of trial and error, and that struggle helped shape the future of how we find information online.